I just got access to Google BARD, which is a competitor to ChatGPT. Let's try a comparison between ChatGPT and Google BARD. So here I'm testing it out, asking it to create a list of 10 profitable ways to work from home online. Then we'll click here to enter. Boom, it all pops up with all 10 ways to work from home. Now let's try on ChatGPT. Here we are on ChatGPT, and I'm just going to paste the same thing here, create a list of 10 profitable ways to work from home online, and let's see what it comes up with. Affiliate marketing, drop shipping, online teaching and tutoring, freelance writing and editing, social media management, virtual assistants, graphic design, web development, online surveys and focus groups, and content creations. Hopping back on BARD, it looks like there are some differences. Number one, it has freelance writing, virtual assistant, data entry, transcription, proofreading, web development, graphic design, social media marketing, e-commerce, and online teaching. But down here, it also includes some additional tips for finding profitable online jobs. Research different online jobs, network with people in your field, build your online portfolio, and be patient. So seeing the differences between the different AIs, let me know which one you like better.